Hi guys, welcome to the unboxing and quick review of the Covery USB-C charging cable set. That's a set of 4 cables. It comes with this nice pocket. Yeah, why not? If you can use that. And then another pocket. It's nicely covered, and it comes in 3 different lengths. I mean, the shorter thing should be 1 foot. Looks a little bit short for 1 foot. I think it's not 1 foot. So let's test this. This is the shortest one, and here we start. 1 foot should be 12 inches, so it's exactly 1 foot. So yeah, no problem at all. The thing is, it comes with this strange rubber thing. So the idea is somehow that you probably can just put it here and you have it like, stick together. With a short one it doesn't make sense. With the medium length, a little bit more. With the long cable, not a bad thing. So the only concern is if you don't want it, you have this thing around for nothing. I mean, then it's basically useless. So I took this thing apart or out of this pocket, and I mean, if you don't like it, it's a little bit annoying. Of course, you could cut it. I think you can grab it here and go underneath with a knife, but then you risk cutting your cable, of course. And it's not possible. I think, as much as you pull, it's not possible to move it over the adapter head. So you are stuck with that. Annoys me a little bit at the moment, but I think in daily use it shouldn't be a problem. I mean, usually when I have a cable, I put it together like this and something like that, and that's enough. It's quite firm hold. Usually you can do a lot of things and it doesn't fall apart. Why do we need that plastic thing? Annoys me a little bit, but anyway, I mean, the cable itself, the plugs, they look really good. They are nice. They have a really nice design, look beautiful. The connection between the cable and the plug looks also pretty stable. I like this 2-step thing, so you have not the cable directly into this metal thing or plastic, whatever it is. It's hard to find out, but you have a little bit of a thing in the middle, which is a little bit flexible, I hope, but not too much actually. So anyway, but I think the cable itself is nicely protected. It shouldn't be a problem. It's quite flexible but still durable. It has a really good, nice feel, and I will try this here in this plug. It's like, I would say, standard. Standard friction or standard resistance to push it in and take it out. It's about same as with any or most of the other cables, so no problem at all. Maybe I can zoom in a little bit so you get a nice close-up of this thing, how it looks also with the big one. So it's a decent quality. I mean, I cannot look inside. I guess it's charging. I will test that. Hold on a second. So I've been checking all the cables on the computer with my phone, and it said for all of them, it said charging immediately, and it said and it brought up the data connection, so it's showing the content of the phone. So looks like it's working. I hope it keeps working for a long time. So first impression, really good, apart from this strange thing, but I will get used to that, and maybe even I will enjoy the extra comfort of being able to put this together like this to store it easily. So that's it for now. I hope I was able to help you a little bit with that. If you have any questions or comments, just write to the comment section below, and I'm always happy to talk about these things. And if you like the video, give me a thumbs up, subscribe my channel. Thanks for watching, and see you next time.